Assalamu alaikum viewers, hope all is well. Today we are visiting Ammor restaurant where the heart of Egypt meets the soul of Dubai, located in Al-Mamsir, Abu Hail. Ammor offers you all the famous Egyptian dishes crafted with love and tradition. Whether you are craving the signature Egyptian savories and indulging in freshly baked pastries, you can count on Ammor team to deliver an unforgettable dining experience. At Ammor, it's not just about the food, it's about the people who make it special. Ammor has dedicated staff with warm smiles and genuine hospitality. Ammor is committed to making you feel at home. Each member of Ammor staff brings the rich culture of Egypt to your table, ensuring that every dish is served with passion and care. If we talk about Fatayer, Fatayer is a popular Middle Eastern pastry. There are different tastes of Fatayer, but we will eat chicken cheese Fatayer. Chicken cheese Fatayer is a mouth-watering combination that mixes tender, spiced chicken with melted cheese, all wrapped in a soft baked pastry. The rich flavors of the chicken pairs perfectly with the creaminess of the cheese, creating a satisfying and indulgent snack or meal. Chicken cheese Fatayer, simply unforgettable. The moment I took my first bite of the chicken cheese Fatayer, I knew I was in for something special. The tender chicken, perfectly seasoned. It was taste sensation like no others, but it was not just the dish that made my experience so memorable. The staff were attentive, friendly, and made me feel truly welcome. Viewers, it's time to go home. Take care of yourself. May Allah bless you and your family. Allah Hafiz.